everyone, welcome back to my channel. It's Lou. If you're new, welcome to my channel. If you guys like what you see, which I know you will, please make sure you press the subscribe button that's down below, as well as that bell notification, so you guys are notified every single time that I post a new video. Now, I know you guys can already tell by this title, today's video is going to be about how to watermark your photos. And I think, well, this goes hand in hand in like branding your business and stuff. Now, basically what watermarking is, I'm not gonna look into the definition because I don't know. Watermarking is basically putting your logo on a photo, on an original photo that you post. And the whole purpose of you watermarking your photo is basically just to brand it, to let people know that they got it from, like, that photo is from you, if that makes sense, because my mind is kind of all over the place. But yeah, so like for instance, if someone by any chance did happen to take your photo and post it on their page, the people will know that it's from you because it's been watermarked with your logo or with whatever you watermarked it with. Now, the whole purpose why I wanted to do this video was because like 2 or 3 people asked me on my Instagram basically how I watermark my wig photos and stuff like that. So I just decided to come on here and just make a quick video about it. Now, the first thing you're gonna need is a logo. Now, no matter if you already have the logo or not, if you had it professionally made or you made it yourself, you do need to put the logo on a transparent background. Now you can either, if you are making it by yourself, there is like some things you can do to make the background transparent. Now, for instance, I do have an app which is called where is it? I think I uninstalled it. Oh no, I didn't. It's called Superimposed. I'm gonna put it on here, but it's called Superimposed, or I'm gonna put how it looks like somewhere up here so you guys can see how I look like. And with this photo, you're able to mask the background of any pictures or logo and stuff like that, and you can make it have a transparent background to where you can overlay it on anything. And this you can use this app for basically everything. You don't have to just use it for logos, but I've seen people use it for like pictures and stuff like that. You've seen how some YouTubers have like photos or overlaying each other. That's one way that they do use it to, you know, overlap photos. But in this case, you can use it for your logo if you don't have it professionally made. Now, if you do have it professionally made, which I did, and I did get it from a person in Fiverr. Now, the person in Fiverr, I made sure that when I was getting the logo made, that I told them that I wanted to have a transparent background, and I think for them it's called like PNG vector, something like that. So it's like, I think those are like for higher quality, but I made sure I told them that I want one to be like a transparent background to where I can just, you know, do whichever I want with it. Now, I'm gonna screen record my phone so you guys can see exactly what I'm doing, because I'm gonna do a demo so I can show you guys exactly how I put the things on my photos. Now, first, what I am gonna do is go on Fiverr, because I do have it saved, but for some reason my photo keeps going like blank. Like when I click on it, I'm not sure. Ooh, excuse me. I'm not sure if it's because the photo's been there for too long, so to the point where it doesn't show the transparent background. But for some reason, I always have to download it on my phone because the transparent background only lasts for a certain amount of time. I don't know why, but that's what happens. Now, the app that I do use for my photos and everything is PixArt. I actually have 2, but the first one is PixArt, and literally I will go on there. Now, I'm gonna pick a photo that I want to put the logo on there. For instance, let's choose this wig photo. Now, I'll take this wig photo and I will go on the bottom right here and I will look for add photo. I would go to the add photo, then I will click on the logo that I just downloaded, and boom, literally there it goes. It will literally pop onto the screen, And what I like about Pixar is you're able to change the opacity, I think that's how it's called, opacity of it, and that's basically how strong or how dull you want the logo to be. Now you can leave it like this, but honestly I would prefer to have it like somewhere in the 50-ish, just so the logo doesn't just overpower the photo, and because the whole purpose of it is just for you to watermark, and watermark is not supposed to be something like too strong, so always make sure you dull down your photo. So I do it like that, and you literally, now you can just literally put it everywhere. You can change the size, you can change the size and everything, and you press apply, next, and then save. And then now let's go to our Instagram, and boom, it'll be right there, and you'll be able to just upload it. Now Pixar isn't the only app that you can use to, you know, add the things to your thing. You actually can go, there's another app called Fonto, and Fonto, you just literally basically do the same thing. You photo albums, and you look for the photo, you add it to there, and then now you'll press these little lines on the left hand corner, and you'll press add image, and boom, it'll literally do the same thing. Now what I don't like about Fonto is that it does how do I say, you can't change the opacity like you can on Pixar, so that's why I don't really use it for this. So if you don't mind it being that bright, then go ahead and just, you could use Fonto too, but like I said, for Fonto you can't dull it down like you can in Pixar, so that's why most of the time I do pick Pixar. But literally that's all I do. Like, it's that simple. There's really no big secret or anything, and to be honest with you, I did used to think that it was like some big like thing of how people put their logos and stuff on there, and it did take me like a few like tries before I actually was able to, you know, start watermarking my photos and stuff. Just look at videos, honestly. But like I said, it's not that hard as long as you have a logo, and like I said, you can either use superimpose if you are making your own logo and you want a transparent background. You can use that to just crop out the background, and then you save the photo as a PNG. I actually should have showed you guys on that, but honestly it's very self-explanatory. Or just go on YouTube and you just put superimpose. You'll see a whole bunch of videos on there, because that's how I learned to use the app. But you can use that, or you can use Pixar, and literally that's how you get a watermarked photo. And honestly, I would highly recommend that everyone do watermark their photos, because clearly a lot of people do steal a lot of people's work and stuff, and why not get noticed for your work and not have someone potentially steal it and claim it as theirs? So, and that's just another branding tactic. So, but if you guys did enjoy this video or got any type of information from it, please make sure you give it a big fat thumbs up, and also don't forget to subscribe to my channel. We are almost at 6K, you guys. So maybe hopefully by the time I post this video that we're past 6K, but please make sure you guys are subscribed, and I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye.